create your favorite song and your favorite type of song with this app easily with just one click. In this video, I will be teaching you on how to create your own song, music, the way you like and the way you prefer it to sound. With the help of this app, you will be able to create a fantastic music of your choice. Well, let us dive into this video and find out how this app really works. First off, you would like to create a lyrics for the song. Well, head over to ChatGPT, which will help us do that. Let us ask ChatGPT to provide us with a lyrics. As you can see, ChatGPT have created the necessary lyrics for us, including the chorus and everything. It is left for us to copy this already made lyrics and paste it into the app that will help us create the music, the song. We'll head over to the app right now. The name of this app is called Suno. It is an AI music and song generator that helps you create music to your own style and the way you love it to sound. This is the music that I have already made. Well, let us create a new one right now. You head over to the button, click it, costume. This is the costume button. Make sure to click it, then you enter the lyrics we just copied, and you would like to enter the title. This will be the title of this music. Let us add voice, which will be a female voice. Let us make it upbeat and electronic. That is it. Then let us tap on create. This is the music creating. It offers two types of music, which you will be able to choose the one you like, the one you prefer, the one you think is the best one for you. The song have been created. Let us listen to it to see if this app is really worth it. Here is our music.
Yeah, I thought forever meant forever, but I guess forever ends too soon. We started like fire on the coldest night. Your hand in mine, it all just felt so right. You said love would never fade, but now I'm staring at your back as you walk away. I gave you my heart with no second guess. Now it's in pieces, a beautiful mess. You promised me more than you ever gave, left me drowning in the waves. I fell too deep, now I can't breathe. You were the air, now you're just a night.
Let's check out the second one.
Yeah, I thought forever meant forever, but I guess forever ends too soon. We started like fire on the coldest night. Your hand in mine, it all just felt so right. You said love would never fade, but now I'm staring at your back as you walk away. I gave you my heart with no second guess. Now it's in pieces, a beautiful mess.
Well, you guys have listened to the music, which was very good. This app is a very unique app, which I would like each and every one of you watching this video right now to download it and create wonders for yourself. Well, if this will be the type of video you would like to see, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like our video, because it also motivates us to create more like this. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.